All right, everyone, today is the day that I'm getting the HFP suspension finally put on. Here it is all loaded up. I'm gonna be heading out to my buddy's shop, who's a mechanic, and tackling this job together so we can get it done. The OEM HFP kit did come with extra bolts, pins, everything that you need to get it installed. My current OEM suspension has about 3,800 miles now, so bought the car about 6 months ago. Not too bad, but it's just gonna look great. Some of you know that I did end up selling the coilovers to another forum member, and I didn't want to take a risk of ruining the OEM warranty, especially after purchasing the extended warranty. So here's the current gap. You know, it's not that bad, but I definitely wanted a little lower. So I will keep you guys updated throughout the day on the progress, and then I'll have after installation pictures. All right. All right, y'all, here are the results of the HFP sport suspension installed. Now I can confirm that this HFP suspension was for the 6-speed manual coupe, which I've installed onto my automatic. They do work just the same. The only difference is the front springs, which I think actually on my automatic gave me a little bit more of a drop in the front. I'm perfectly fine with that. I just got back from an hour drive from my buddy's shop, and I have traveled over railroad tracks, roads with potholes, highway driving, all of it. The suspension is just as comfortable as my stock 2017 suspension, which, you know, 2016 and 2017 Honda did a little bit of an update to the dampers. All in all, I'm very happy with the drop. I wasn't sure if I was going to regret selling the coilovers. I've always been a coilover kind of guy. But as I discussed with many on the forums, I did not want to risk voiding my warranty. I do have the extended 10-year, 120,000 mile warranty. It's not that the struts are covered under Honda's OEM warranty, but as my mechanic stated, if anything went wrong with the engine, the transmission, Honda in the past has come back and actually declined his son's work on his son's Honda under warranty because they said that the vehicle was altered, not by a Honda accessory. I don't have a tape measure on me right now. It's just about to rain, but I will get the dimensions from the ground up to the fender. I could definitely tell there's about an inch drop in the rear. I really like the stance though. And I love the fact that it is OEM Honda engineered, made specifically for this Accord Coupe. I got the HFP suspension on eBay from DIY seller. His name is Adam. Terrific guy, great communication back and forth. We were discussing the manual versus automatic kits. He was all out of the kits for the automatic. That's why I went with the manual. It's cloudy out and it's starting to rain, so that is why it's hard to see the exact tire to fender ratio, but there she is. HFP suspension finally done. As always, I thank you guys who subscribe and watch my videos. Hopefully this will help some other Accord owners who are debating whether or not to go HFP versus coilovers. If you're not looking for a drastic drop it to the ground low, this is perfect in my eyes. I don't have any regrets. Alright, thanks to you all for watching. Catch you later.